Well, hello guys, this will be a short video on results of applying a new thermopaste on CPU and the cleaning coolers of my Dell workstation T3500. That's a cool PC and these are results. I actually have very pleasing results of temperature that is 20 Celsius less than when computer was dirty. So because I'm recording, the temperatures average is they are a little bit high, but average when I'm not doing too much stuff on PC are around 40 Celsius. The maximum at the moment after a couple of hours of work of this PC is 54, 55, something like that, definitely acceptable temperatures. I also have case with same PC. I have two of them. Basically, sometimes when they were dirty, the maximum temperature was in a level of 75 Celsius. That's a lot. And the peak when I was playing games and rendering a little bit, 95 Celsius, and that's a lot. That will probably damage any CPU in a longer period of time. But right now, see, this is if you ask me, but I'm not expert in any case, this is acceptable. If you ask me, that's just my experience. So for hardware cores and virtual cores or something like that, whatever the name and terminology these days is 8. And this is how much of them I'm using at the moment. I'm very cool with this machine, very happy with it. Okay, so that's cool when we talk about processor and memory temperature. When computer was dirty, the temperature was around 40 Celsius, and now it's around 30, 34, something like that. Definitely cool stuff, cool result. So I'm happy. And you know that I'm not too much big on gaming, so I have weak graphic cards, ancient pretty much AMD FirePro V3900. 51 with active cooling. A small cooler is on this GPU, and it's cool, 50, 51 to something like that. So that's acceptable. And if you think that is not, please write it down in comment section why, because I don't have too much experience with the graphic cards. Some people say that if graphic cards do have higher temperatures, then that is good for graphic cards and for results. I don't know about that. So write that down there in comment section. Another thing, another graphic card, NVIDIA NVS 300, no cooler, just a passive heat sink, 52. This is okay, totally okay temperatures. And down there we have GPU utilization. I don't care about that, and the system memory utilization. So yeah, guys, I'm definitely very happy with results. Overall, 20%, sorry, no, 20 Celsius improvement in temperature. So my definite advice is, if you're going to play some kind of games for a longer period of time, if you're into rendering, check temperatures regularly. And what kind of program I'm using to check this? It is CPU ID hardware monitor. You can grab it from cpuid.com softwares slash hvmonitor.html. Just type it on a Google like hvmonitor and you will land on this website. You're gonna recognize it based on how it looks. Well, obviously. Anyway, this version is free. I'm using it's classic version. You can grab a setup file, you can grab zip file, whatever you like. And apparently this is there is a hardware monitor pro, but I'm very happy with the classic version. It gets the job done. For some reason in this moment I don't have speed of fans, but I don't care about that as long as these sensors here are cool. Of course, with some software you can boost coolers, primary coolers on a machine, but I'm not into that because I leave everything to automatic solution. Because once when you start messing around with manual setup, maybe you can create some kind of problems, maybe there will be a little bit more noise on the machine, and that's not desirable in my case, so I just leave it to, you know, automatic stuff, and I'm very happy with results. So yeah, that's it guys. I know that my channel is about programming and not about hardware, but I just want to share this with the people. One more time, the software is HW Monitor and I'm happy with it. So guys, thank you for watching. Sorry about this excursion on my channel into hardware, but I just want to have it like a reference here. Um, Maybe it will help to some people. Okay, thank you for watching and see you next one. Ciao.